منقولات.com پڑھیے دنیا بھر کی خبریں اور معلومات دنیا کی مشہور 3 زبانوں میں، اردو، انگلش اور جرمن میگزین کے ساتھ.
Doing 2 things now. One, that there's oppression there, extreme oppression. It's very important that what is happening in Kashmir should be highlighted, because apart from the Muslim countries, no one else is going to highlight that. So the other aspect needs to be highlighted about Kashmir is, one is the oppression. The other is they are changing the demography of Kashmir. Now they are resettling people from outside Kashmir, and we feel that this will eventually, from a Muslim majority, it will become a Muslim minority, and then at some point they would hold a plebiscite and claim that, people of Kashmir have voted for them. But this is also a war crime. This Islamophobia, which has swept the Western world since 9/11. Muslim causes are treated completely different to any other human right causes. So the sensitivity towards Muslim causes has just diminished after 9/11 because of Islamophobia. And Islamophobia has just gone deep in their society. And this is one of the, Palestine and Kashmir are the 2 main causes. Huge injustices of history. And on top of it, despite United Nations Security Council resolutions, there is just no traction. The people of Kashmir hardly have a voice.
ہمارے پروگرام سوشل میڈیا پہ منقولات کے نام سے آپ دیکھ سکتے ہیں. یوٹیوب پہ منقولات کے پروگرام کو لائک کیجئے اور باوقت برخبر رہنے کے لیے ہمارے چینلز کو سبسکرائب کیجئے اور بیل آئیکن کا بٹن دبانا مت بھولیے.